how you can recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is opening up your settings. Now after you've opened up your settings, just tap on your name on the top and go to your iCloud settings. Now here, tap on iCloud, and there you'll need to scroll down till you find device backups. Tap on iCloud backup and just back your iPhone. Make sure that you've backed up your iPhone before too, and just check your last successful backup. Now I have not backed it up, but make sure that you've backed it up before you have deleted the text message. Now after doing that, just go back. Now what you'll need to do is go to General, scroll down till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Erase all content and settings, and after you've just reset your iPhone, you'll get the option to back your iPhone up from your iCloud. So after you back it up from your iCloud, you will get back the text that you have deleted. That is basically how you do it, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.